Hi and welcome to week 4 of the One Room Challenge. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Claire O'Connell, the beating heart behind Reno Way of Life, and on Instagram and TikTok and here on YouTube. Excited to share with you our progress update for our kids' bathroom renovation this week. I cannot believe it's week 4, like it's absolutely crazy. We've made a load of progress. We started the week thinking that we weren't actually going to make much at all. We had a couple of really tough days, but we grouped together and let me share with you what we're up to. So I think one of the biggest things that we did this week that has completely changed our lives is previously we were walking through what is the original part of the house. So just a reminder for those who maybe haven't seen our other videos, the original house was built in the 1900s, early 1900s I should say, and we have raised it. We put an extension to the side, which is where the kids' bathroom is going. So we have been hopping through this hole here and through and into the kids' bathroom, which is going to be the stairwell. So you get very used to climbing in and out of framing. So let me share with you how we're getting there now. So I'm currently standing on what is the original bathroom, which was an add-on at some point in the 30s. It actually en-suites from the kitchen, which is really awkward, but it is the only bathroom in the house. But what it will become is this section here will actually become our master suite. I know you can't quite picture it yet, and this will be the walkthrough into the extensions. There will be a wall that will be framed up and coming along here, and then this will all be opened up into the kitchen. And so the doorway will be wider than this, and we will be taking it all the way up to the ceiling. So got some really fun plans for a beautiful door. Let's go into the extension. So this corridor runs down. So this is the bathroom that we're currently renovating. And then we have the 3 kids' rooms and our room off this corridor. So it's a really nice way to keep the noise separate. Let's go in and check out the bathroom. So progress this week. Hey Derek.
Hey everybody.
So we have been busy this week.
So we got the sheeting panels, and they're all fiber cement sheeting. So they're waterproof, perfect for the bathrooms, mold resistant.
And it's really, this is one of the details that I just wanted to share with you. So see how the VJ panels run vertical, and then we also have them running across the ceiling. So we've actually measured and cut. I say we, this was Derek, and it's a fantastic detail, but each of the VJs runs seamlessly down the wall from the ceiling, which is a really nice detail.
And yeah, and at the moment we're just putting on the fiber cement sheeting in the shower area. So this is the shower area.
It's a nice big shower.
We're gonna have a linear drain going this way.
Great. And
we have a detailed shelf that we're building out from here, just to give us more insulation in the wall for soundproofing. So instead of recessing a shelf into the wall, we decided to build it out into the shower. We have the space. And we're going to have a bulkhead on the top to match down below, and we're going to have recessed lights built into that. How nice is that?
So other than that, the other big update we have this week, which is kind of an unfortunate one, but it is the realities of renovating, because we always have because we're doing such a major renovation, we have multiple priorities that are constantly being shifted and moved around, and timing is of the essence because we're basically doing most of this ourselves. And that is that we will be not building the vanity for this bathroom, unfortunately, but as luck would have it, I actually found a beautiful piece of furniture that I was planning to refurbish for our master suite, but I've actually decided to use it now in this bathroom because it's the perfect size. So it was almost in the stars that we weren't going to get to the build, and then we'll build the vanity for our bathroom. So we still won't waste all of that planning and all that beautiful design, but it means that we can move on more swiftly with this project and move on to some of our other projects, like our pool fence, which needs to go up so we can get the pool company back in to finish that off for the summer, because it is getting hot here right now and our kids are desperate to swim in the pool. So that's our update for this week. We got all the insulation done as well, all the sheeting. So we're hoping, fingers crossed, that we can get enough done here today and tomorrow to get the waterproofer to come in and get this place waterproof so we can start tiling. So I'm hoping next week, week 5, I'm going to be giving you a tiling update. If I'm not giving you a tiling update at that point, I'll probably be crying in the corner because we will be so far behind. we won't know what to do with ourselves. And I am going to be tiling. I've never tiled before in my entire life, like never even laid a tile, like one tile. So Derek is going to give me some pointers. He's going to get me started so I don't completely mess it up. But let's keep our fingers crossed for next week. And let's hope we survive Waterproof Wednesday and tiling week. And we'll see you then.